and P are three similar solid cylinders made from the same material, so they have the same density. L has a mass of 64 and M has a mass of 125 grams. Now, I'm going to just show you that you can do this. You could say the density of L equals, let's make it 1 randomly because we know that they're all the same. 1 equals 64 over its volume, 64 grams, and then we can swap out volume equals 64 over 1. So basically, proportionately, they're all going to be the same using that bit. Now, I'm going to use the same sort of system that I used before. I don't love how I've done that line there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got height, surface area, and volume. And we've already seen that we can work out the volume quite easily from what we've got there. So it's L, M, and N. And eventually we need the heights of all of them, which is their scale factor, but not squared. So we know that L has a volume now of, say, 64 centimetres cubed, and M has a volume of 125 centimetres cubed. So to get from there to there, we have to basically times by, so we times by 64 over 125 over 64, which works out as being 5 over 4. And that works out as being 25 over 16 in order to get from there to there. Right, M has a total surface area of 144 centimetres squared. So in order to find out what L's is, I suppose, you could do 144 divided by 25 over 16. Oh no, even, yeah, that's right. And that gives us 92.16. Anyway, P has a total surface area of 16. So to go from there to there, so 144 divided by 16 equals 9. So we divide by 9 to get to 16. So this one we divide by 3 and we divide by 27. So, which means that as we go back with the across the surface area, we've got that, we've got this. So this, if we were to put in, what's the smallest one? P. So if we were to put in 1 for the surface area of P, you could then times that by 3 to get 3, and then from there we could times that by 5/4. No, we can divide that by 5/4. 2.4. And then we've got to make 2.4 into something that's nice. So if we times everything by 5, so right now we've got 2.4 for L to 3 to 1, and we can't have a decimal in there. So times 2.4 by 5, and we get 12. And that gives us 3 times 5 is 15, and 1 times 5 is 5. And that should be the answer to the heights for L, M, and N.